Hello everybody, this is an extra video, one that I was not intending to record. I wasn't intending to do anything on the weekend, but I saw something in Dim's last video that just caught my attention, and many of you might be a little bit like this as well, but once I get something like this in my head, I go down a bit of a rabbit hole and I can't stop thinking about it until I've opened up Excel and played around with it. It's really nerdy, but there you go. So this has been my Sunday morning. The thing that Dim showed was using sequence within TEXTSPLIT, and the thing that's really caught my attention was this idea that if you've got sequence with char, you could essentially build a kind of dynamic array output of a list of characters that you can then use within your TEXTSPLIT. So I started playing around with this, and at first it wasn't really doing what I thought it would do, but because it didn't do what I thought it would do, it then led me onto another rabbit hole of thinking. So I've got a random string of text that's got some letters, some special characters, some numbers. And I thought that if I had a sequence of char codes, that by including in that sequence everything that includes the letters of the alphabet from A to Z, that it would just sort of return all of the breakdown of the characters within the text string. I don't know why I thought that would happen, but it didn't. What it actually does, which you can kind of see here, I hope, is it treated all of the groups of characters that I had within that sequence together. So you can see the first thing that it actually leaves me with in this array that's returned is the left square bracket, because that first block of characters are all letters of the alphabet. So that sequence is basically saying, split this text up by anything that's not within that group of characters that I've given to you. The next thing that pops up is 2, 3, and then 2. So you can see there 2, 3 is the next set of characters that isn't a letter of the alphabet. Then you've got R, then you've got 2. So then I thought, okay, I remembered what Dim did in his video, and he had this text string here with numerical values, spaces, characters, words really, and then special characters. And he used TEXTSPLIT with a sequence for the numbers nested within another TEXTSPLIT. And I've just had it in my head that you could do this another way using char and sequence. And then I stumbled upon another problem. So I pretty much got there, albeit with one caveat that I've got some extra spaces that I haven't solved yet. But what I realized here was actually if you did do this sequence with char, what I wanted to do is essentially highlight all of the special characters, but not have the numbers 0 to 9 in my sequence at all. And then I stumbled upon something that I don't understand the reasoning for. Maybe one of the pros will know this, but the char codes are split quite awkwardly if you wanted to do this, where you've got the numbers 0 to 9 coming after a set of special characters. And then after the numbers, you go back into other special characters, then the letters of the alphabet capitalized, then more special characters, then the lowercase letters of the alphabet, then some more special characters. So to get to the same solution Dim got to with his nested TEXTSPLIT, I had to VStack 2 sequences of the characters that essentially took this block here from 33 through to 47, ignored this block with the numbers, and then picked up again with the second array for the VStack from 58 through to 123, I think it was. So I've listed them out here. Let me just highlight the formula. So it's literally saying, like, look, start here first and pick up all the characters from here to here. And then the second array in the VStack does the same for the characters after the numbers 0 to 9. And that pretty much gets you to the same solution. I'm not saying it's better. I've just spent 2.5 hours this morning playing around with it, and I thought I'd share. So there you go. Let me know what you think. Is this useful? It's an alternative. If somebody can help me fix the reason why I've got spaces at the end, I need to go and have a weekend. But there you go. Hope you enjoy that.